私の好きなショップに来ました。今日は行っていきます。
Mommy's favorite pans.
ずっとポットを迷っています。なので今日来ました。
Hi, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
この色かわいい。I like this color.
I like the color a lot, actually. It's a really pretty color.
Oh.
So that's what you want. You want a new frying pan, right? Like that size.
And I like that brand.
Oh, really? I've never heard of it, but that's not a surprise. What is it? What is it? All clad? It's pretty. Stainless steel.
このサイズかな。これ3。
No, no questions right now. Thanks. Okay.
I like these two.
Those are very cute.
Careful, careful, careful.
Yeah. Ah, small.
Oh, that's so cute. It's like you're making an omelet or something. I don't know.
Egg.
Yes, I said omelets. Eggs. That's funny. That little pan right there is how much? $50? Yep.
Red.
It's a pretty color. I like
Size
that.
200.
How much? 200?
Yeah, over 200.
That's alright.
Oh, cute.
Oh, that is cute.
Kawaii.
I like it.
Yeah.
Mommy loves the cutting boards.
Yeah. I love it.
So many cutting boards, oh my gosh. Maybe Mommy shouldn't be allowed in cutting board shops anymore. Oh, look at these. You want some wooden bowls, babe, right?
That's huge.
That's huge. Those are so cute, right? Yes, the answer is yes. Oh, green. It's like Easter colors right there. I love it. Which color is your favorite, Sylvie? I think they're all awesome. I'd be happy with any of them.
White.
You are so boring. Although those are pretty cool too, actually. Look at that. Just look at the texture on it. It's pretty cool. They don't care. They left me. They've already gone on to the next thing. Poor daddy. Sophie wants to buy this for $10.
本当に？
I would have 40. Oh wait, I would have $40.
そんなに欲しい？ああ、こんなんつってコールドストーンみたいなアイスも作れる。
How do you turn it, Mr. Chris?
ね
What does this even do? Does this turn it? I'm guessing something goes on here like a scooper, so when this turns, it actually.
あ、かわいい。ちょうどこのくらいの大きさのが欲しかったので、これとこれ。こっちの色がいいかな。これと2つ買います。ホールフーズに来ました。見えない。ダディナッツを迷っています。
Honey roasted cashews? Look good.
入れました。早速入れたのがナッツでした。また見つけた。
Salted cashews.
Get them.
また入れました。
Oh. Just kidding.
ちょっとシーフードコーナーを見てみましょう。ホールフーズは割とこの辺にしてはお魚が置いてあります。あ、もうクックしたのもあります。あとポキとかもあります。サーモン、ツナ。あとエビはまあどこでもいっぱいあって、あと貝類、オイスターもあるのかな。なんか買ってる。なんか買ってます。もちアイスを買っています。
Mango passion fruit.
お豆腐を買います。$1.79だって。これ買います。すごいクッキー大きい。ソフィー何か見てます。あっちで。ここはケーキのコーナー。あ、 かわいい。ひよこ。やっぱりすごい色。あ、タルトも美味しそうです。このカップケーキ。ダディ買いました。なんかちっちゃいのいっぱい。ちっちゃいのいっぱい買いました。
Party night tonight.
Fly away with me, take you high, soaring, see you smile, it's my only dream.
ベーカリー。
Staring out into the sea, waves come crashing up to me. My toes slip into the sand, dream that I'm with you. Staring out into the sea, waves come crashing up to me. My toes slip into the sand, dream that I'm with you. Staring out into the sea,
With me,
waves come crashing up to me.
soaring,
My toes slip into the sand,
my
dream that I'm with you. Dream that I'm with you. Dream that I'm with you. You. You.
Fly away with me, take you high, soaring, see you smile, it's my only dream.
Staring out into the sea, waves come crashing up to me. My toes slip into the sand, dream that I'm with you. Staring out into the sea,
With me,
waves come crashing up to me.
soaring,
My toes slip
see you
into
smile,
the
it's
sand,
my
dream that I'm with you. Staring out into the sea,
with me,
waves come crashing up to me.
soaring,
My toes slip
see you
into
smile,
the
it's
sand,
my
dream that I'm with you. Dream that I'm with you. Dream that I'm with you. You. You.
Fly away with me, take you high, soaring, see you smile, it's my only dream.
Staring out into the sea, waves come crashing up to me. My toes slip into the sand, dream that I'm with you. Staring out into the sea,
With me,
waves come crashing up to me.
soaring,
My toes slip
see you
into
smile,
the
it's
sand.
my
できました。いい感じ。
Okay, Yuka, what is this delicious looking surprise?
アーモンドクリームブレッ
Armando Cremato Bread.
ちょっと。
It's Italiano. Here we go. Oh! Fell apart.
味見します。
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, my favorite.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. Right?
So good, dude. I'm
手
serious.
が触れるおかしくて。
It's so good.
Right? Yeah, my favorite.
Oh my goodness.
Mm.
Say it again. Cream cheese bread?
Not cheese, almond cream.
Almond cream.
Yeah.
I just said cream.
No, I just use the almond flour.
Oh my goodness. Every
Yeah.
bite is like, oh my
Like a
goodness.
dessert, right?
It's like a dessert or a breakfast. Oh my gosh.
And the bread is very soft too. And
You will have to make this more often.
Yeah.
Look at these eyes.
怖い。怖いです。
Oh
Okay.
my goodness, babe.
How many points?
I'm not even kidding. This is a 10 out of a 10.
お
Oh my goodness.
もういい。もういい、わかったね。桃。ああ、桃。
Staring out into the sea.
with me.
Wave